Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to March 13 broadcast on TBC. In this broadcast, I'm going to be teaching us how to verify transaction. I'm going to share my screen with you. We're going to visit TBC 009 and Kringle's Cash back office. So kindly watch me as I show the demonstration on how to verify transaction. It's very important. It's accord with my yesterday broadcast on TBC Commissioner. So when you are complying with the TBC Commissioner, also you have to verify each transaction, each of the sale you make on TBC, everything have to be on document. So watch out as I display my screen. So like here is TBC 009. You can see the same transaction. We have transaction on 26th November 2018, which is $105. So when we switch it here to Kringles, we're going to have 13 Kringles. So this information, we are going to be using it for the course of the video. So I will go back now and open new tab and open Kringle Cash back office. So I will create the transaction verification. So here is the new tab, Kringle Cash /admin. So we are going to log into the buyer account. When we sign into the buyer account, we allow everything to load. It's still loading, it's due to network. So if we can't wait, we'll go down. We will see here. Let me zoom my screen a little bit to 125%. So you see transaction verification. So you click on it. Mind you, before you can access this verification, you must complete your profile before you can confirm transaction. If your profile is not well edited, you will not be able to confirm transaction. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to click on confirm request, which is the receiver. So when you click on it, it will open. So on this tab now, we're going to click add request. So you will see the feed here, see your name, your last name, purchase date, your email, your wallet address, seller email, seller wallet address, transaction ID and amount, then details and the status. So we are going to click add request. So when we click on add request, it will open the entire feed. So we'll put the name of the buyer, which is, put it here. The last name. When we put it, so as at this wallet type now, you leave it as default, because when they implemented the transaction verification, it was on TBC 009. When we are on the TBC 004, there's no transaction verification. So they have make it default. When you click on it, the drop-down menu, you will not see any other drop-down menu. So you leave it as default as TBC 009. So amount purchased in US dollar. So go back to your TBC 009 and click on it and change your currency to US dollar. So when you go down, you see the particular amount, you copy exactly the amount. You go back and insert it and paste 105.18 cents. So your wallet address, you go back, you copy your wallet address. After copying, you paste it here. You go down again. Make sure you copy and paste the information directly from the wallet page. So this is a copy from the wallet page, as you can see here. So you go back and check the next feed. The next feed is the date of purchase. So you have to put it sequentially, year, month, and date. Example, as in 2018, July, I think we have May, January. So we have as in on month on May, and the date is on the 1st. So we action. (38 a.m.) So we copy it and go back and paste it here. Control V. This is the exact time purchase. So now amount purchased in Ucoin, so or slash Kringle. So before we have Ucoin, they are changed to Kringles. So we go back to TBC 009 of the recipient and go back and change our currency to Kringles. So when we change it to Kringles, we go down and copy it. 13 Kringle. We paste it here, amount in Kringle, which is 13. We paste 13 Kringles here. So method of purchase. So the method of purchase details, if it is example, if it is Bitcoin, paper, cash, or merchandise services, etc. What I mean here is that be very specific so that the seller can remember. So like this seller pay cash. So you click on, you copy the cash here and paste it. When you paste the cash detail, you go down. So the last information is the seller email. So you must know the seller email, the person that sells the coins to you. So you put the seller email, which is, input it, input the seller details .com. So when you copy it, you make sure everything is accurate. You check it. You can go to the top. You see the first name, the last name, the wallet type TBC 009, the amount purchased. Then you go again. Here is your wallet address. Then the date of purchase. Then time of purchase. Then amount purchased in Kringles, which is 13. So you go down. Then the method of payment, cash. So you put it, if it is through PayPal you send, or merchandise, any method which you use, you make sure you put it. Then the seller email address, you put it. Here is the email now of the seller. So before you submit it, make sure you save it. It's very, very important. Make sure you save it, because if you didn't save it, if you submit, it will not reflect on your own dashboard. So now what you're going to do now is you click on save. You are like to load. Good. You can see your request have been successfully saved. It has not been submitted. Return to the confirmation request. So you go down. So at the end of the day, once the information here is accurate, you can decide to click on submit the admin to verify. So you click on submit. So when you submit it, the will your request have been successfully submitted. Return to confirmation request. So you can turn to confirmation request here. So everything, because I zoom, let me go back to 100%. 100% now. So you'll be able to see everything. This is the full name. This is the date of purchase. Your email automatically inserted. Your address, the seller email, seller wallet address is not included. Transaction ID is automatically generated. Then amount is here. Details is here. Then submitted. The status now is submitted. So you wait for approval. So now what will happen now is you can now stay calm. Let me show my face. We have successfully verified a transaction. We are successfully let me share my screen once more so we can see. Here, you can see we have submitted the verification request for admin approval. So now what we're going to do now is I'm going to log into the seller account. If this information is populated in the dashboard of the seller. So before we quickly do that now, let's quickly check our cookies. Under our cookies reward, still loading. We have to wait for it to calculate because it's busy calculating. You don't have to rush this cookies reward dashboard. You have to wait for it to calculate. It's still calculating. You can see the calculator here. So you have to wait for it to load. Good. After everything has loading, you click on details. When you click on details, you wait for the network to finish loading. Good. So once it has approved, you see it here. You see all the record here, but now it has not been approved. You cannot see the record here now. So we have to wait for admin to approve it. After approval, we will now see the record here. So let me now log into the dashboard of the seller. Let me quickly do it sharply. We'll go back here and log into the seller account. When you log into the seller account, you click on the verification, then you click on confirm seller transaction now. You can see it here now. It has populated here. So you have to approve it as well before it will be shown in the dashboard of the buyer. So you go down and click on approve. So when you approve it, you see the status now approved. So now what we are going to do now is let's quickly log out. We're going to log out from the seller account. Right, let's click on reward. So when we click on reward, we have to wait for the system to calculate all the currencies. So it's based on network. It's still loading. We have to wait because this system is using blockchain network. So we have to wait. For the we have to click on view details. Wait for network. So you can see no record found. So now we are going to log into the buyer account now. And see, it's not good. Have to quickly check it. Good. I've logged out. Let's log into the buyer account. We'll hit on the login. Good. Network is back up. So we'll click on the transaction. Click on confirm request. Let's see what the status. You can see the status now. The status now show approved. So we are now waiting for the admin of TBC for final approval. So let's quickly check the reward dashboard. Let's see what we have there on the seller account. So we'll wait for the network, as I said there. Still loading. Can see the calculator symbol now. I see calculating the coins. Good. We'll go down gradually. Let's click on the detail. Let's see what we have. Good. You can see the information is populated on the dashboard here. So you see the purchase date on the 11/26/2018. The seller email address, seller address not available. Then the transaction ID, then payment method, which is cash, then amount $105.18. Then in cookies, not reflected, then pending for validation. So the admin will have to approve this purchase. So let me show my face once more and explain a little bit before we wrap it up for the day. Yeah, welcome back. With this Ash 13 brokers, we're able to learn how to do transaction verification, which is very important in the TBC community, because if you didn't verify your transaction on TBC, your send button and the buyer send button may be turned off due to fraud verification. So you have to respond to each of the transaction you make on TBC community to ensure the sanitation of fraud in the community. So thank you very much for watching this my broadcast on my #13. I'm going to come away next time with new edition. Thank you and have a blessed day. Remember to subscribe to my channel to get the first notification. Bye.